Hi, welcome back to Tongue News, your quick dive into the latest milestones from the Open Network. So let's get into it. Introducing Tongue Loyalty, rewards for real engagement. Tongue Loyalty program is now live, bringing Web3 rewards into your Telegram. A loyalty program designed for Telegram users who want value without the hassle. It's simple and built for you. What is Tongue Loyalty? Earn star points by using partner mini apps in Telegram, from games to finance to everyday tools, and redeem them for rewards. Telegram Premium, rare NFT Telegram gifts on-chain. Surprise gift boxes, Telegram gifts off-chain. More rewards coming soon. How it works: open the Telegram App Center. Use partner mini apps. Earn star points easily. Redeem rewards, no wallet or crypto needed. Ready to get rewarded for your loyalty? Get on board today. Tongue Data is now live on AWS. AWS has officially added Tongue to its public blockchain data registry, placing Tongue alongside blockchain heavyweights such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now developers and analysts worldwide can easily access, explore, and build with Tongue data like never before. Why this matters? Major platform recognition, advanced AI-driven insights, more opportunities for apps on Tongue. This is more than just a technical integration. It's a testament to the strength and maturity of the Tongue ecosystem. That's all for today. More updates coming soon. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Tongue ecosystem.